Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Khaleed Roam v1, 2 or newer, 2 GB free storage, and an account with sync enabled. Next, link your account and grant file permissions so the app can read and write. Then create a project folder and add a small KRM sample file to test the pipeline. Once done, open Khaleed Roam and load that folder. You will see the project dashboard. Make sure autosync is on so changes propagate as you proceed. Once your project is visible, import the KRM files and use the schema editor to map fields so Khaleed Roam understands your data structure. Then run preprocessing, normalize formats, deduplicate records, and validate entries to catch errors early. After that, configure a run profile, set CPU and memory limits, choose a concurrency level, and schedule the job. You should preview a dry run to confirm outputs. If outputs match expectations, start the full execution with monitoring. When processing completes, review the run logs and export results in the desired format, then disable debug mode to improve performance. Archive a project snapshot for reproducibility and remove temporary files to reclaim space. If something goes wrong, first scan the error logs for stack traces and timestamps, then restart the Khaleed Roam service to clear transient issues. If errors persist, restore the last known good snapshot and rerun the failing step. This resolves most state-related failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.